Hi, welcome to a quick demo of Sappa. Here I have two devices with me, one iOS and one Android. They both have Sappa installed and both these users are currently visible on Sappa. Let's pretend that this Android device is our person of interest and that they have locked their phone and put it in their pocket. Now since they're in my vicinity, all I have to do is open Sappa and wait for the app to do its magic. That's it. That is the person who's right in front of me. All I have to do is identify them through their profile picture and I can go ahead and tap on their bubble. They instantly get a notification that I viewed them. I can then go ahead, browse their profile and even choose to send them a friend request. They instantly get that notification too. Now, if they choose to respond by accepting the friend request, I get to know about it as well, and now I can chat with them if I want to. Sappa is that simple.